thalamus, right? Thalamus with thalamic adhesion. Just beneath that one is midbrain. This one is, this bulge is pons, and this one is medulla oblongata. Make sure you know the nerves originate from brainstem. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12. So the first component is the pons. Midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata. I can put my midbrain, pons, medulla oblongata from any of the Marl. Okay, and this, what is this? This darker color one is the corpus callosum. Okay, and you know this is the shallow line ridges are called as sulcus, and this elevated ridges are called as gyres. Okay, and fissures. Okay, the one with separate two lobe is called as longitudinal. From where did you take it out? Okay, so this one is the longitudinal fissure. This one transverse fissure. Okay, which lobe is this? This one, this one, and this one, right. Okay, so this one, give me the colored one. Did he show you this one or no? The Broca's areas, everything. He already went over with this or no?
No.
Maybe.
I honestly don't remember.
Okay, so this one, you know, which sulcus is that with central the motor frontal from the parietal lobe. This sulcus is called as central sulcus. So all the motor areas, the voluntary movements of our body are located in the frontal lobe and in the parietal somatosensory areas. Okay, so this sulcus is called as central sulcus. Again, the shallow ridges are called as sulcus, and the elevated ridges are called as gyres. And fissure is a dark longitude. Fissure is a deep cut. A slit-like opening is called as fissure. Okay, so this is the one. This one we already talked about this, and this is okay. For this one, there is no need to worry about for every single thing. This one you know is the
Central canal.
central canal is the center, but what about this gray matter, and the outer is the white matter. And what is this? Okay, so you're going to see these ganglion, right? So actually this is a sympathetic chain with sympathetic ganglion. So we need to see the formation of the spinal nerve, right? So which root carries the ganglion? Dorsal or ventral? So where you see the bulge, so you know this is the dorsal. Where you don't see the bulge, that is the ventral. Dorsal and ventral root join to form the spinal nerve. Okay. So again, if you wanna answer, but just make it simple. If you see any sticking over here, simply so the spinal nerve also gives some rami later. But if you see any sticking over here, your answer needs to be simply say spinal nerve. If you see any sticking over here, you will say sympathetic trunk. If you see the sticking on the bulge, you will say sympathetic ganglion. 3 things from this Marl you need to know. Again, spinal nerve, sympathetic trunk, sympathetic ganglion. And if you see the bulge over here, bulge is on the dorsal, no bulge is the ventral. Yeah. So just make it simple.
What was that last person?
Okay. Dorsal root, ventral root, spinal nerve, sympathetic trunk, sympathetic ganglion. Okay, so don't worry about everything from here. Okay, and what else? Which chapter we also have to do? Okay, so muscles I already taught in detail, right? When we review the muscles, the only chapter which I didn't discuss with you with chapter 12. Okay, so just go with the cerebellum, fissures, corpus callosum, thalamus, and all these things. That's it. Okay, one more thing, you also need to know the instruments. Tuning fork, you saw it yesterday. Tuning fork, we perform 2 tests with tuning fork. One is called as Weber's, the other one is called as Rene. Weber, we use it for conductive deafness, to rule out the deafness. And Rene we use for bone and hearing conduction. Now the procedure, just make sure you know, there are 2 tests we use. There are two tests we perform through for the tuning fork, okay? Then percussion hammer, right? Percussion hammer you use to check the reflexes, and the most common reflex we check in medical practice is the knee jerk reflex, okay? Then what is the normal vision? 20/20. What is the name of the chart we use for to check the vision? Snellen chart. Name the chart the book we use to check the color vision. What is the name of that book? Okay, who is going to give me the answer for that book?
2 points.
Name of the book. used for color vision? Who need 2 points? No time to Google it. Where is Emily? Where did she go? Oh, yeah. Okay. The name of the book is written on the top page of the book. You remember the gray book we use? Yeah. Okay. Okay. Type it. No, there's no need to look for it. It's cheating.
It's from Japan. That's all.
You read it from Japan. Ishihara book.
Oh yeah, Ishihara.
Ishihara book. Okay. So the name of the book is the Ishihara. Okay. So
Write the name of the book.
no, I'm just.
We need to know.
Okay.
The central circus, not the lobes.
Not
Inside one, I just want you to know about the corpus callosum, thalamus. Thalamus have a thalamic adhesion. The area below the thalamus is called as hypothalamus. What did I say? Did I say something else? Medulla oblongata. This one you need to know. And
Midbrain.
For this one?
for this one, yes. Okay. You know this one is what? This is spinal cord. The tail shape. This is coda equina, and this is phylum. This is the tail. Coda means the tail of the horse, right? So this is coda equina, and this is all spinal cord. So any sticking over here is the spinal cord. This is cervical region, thoracic region, lumbar and sacral region. Okay. So just simply say this is spinal cord. Spinal cord contains spinal nerves. How many pairs of spinal nerves? And how many pairs of cranial nerve? 12. So what is this? What is this?
The spinal.
Brachial plexus with 3 cords. Okay. So anterior, this one we have lateral anterior, and then the back one is this is I think so posterior, and this one is lateral. Okay. No, this is lateral, this is posterior, this is on the back. So just go with anterior, posterior, and the lateral cords. Just the cords. How many cords? 3. Okay. So try to drink cold beer. So first what we have?
Trunk.
Then oh really? Really tired. I'm using another one. Really tired? Drink cold coffee. Okay.
Good coffee.
It's really tired. Drink coffee. So it's brewed
Then we
from
also have to
branch.
fix the branches.
There you go, Colbert.
Okay. Okay, name the major branches for the brachial plexus.
Median, ulnar, axial,
And median, radial, and okay, where is the lacrimal gland? From the model, not from your body.
Right there.
Okay, show me where is tympanic membrane.
No,
Use this. Okay.
This dude.
Okay. Okay. Where is hold the model? Hold the model. Yeah, this one. Okay. Show me vestibulocochlear nerve. The yellow. Okay. Which one is the snail-shaped type structure?
That is cochlear.
Cochlea. Okay. What about all these coils? Semicircular. What about the transparent one?
Which one?
The membrane inside.
Oh, tympanic.
Tympanic membrane. Inflammation of this membrane can cause
Otitis
media, common in kids because the tube is the tube is straight. Pharyngotympanic tube is straight. That's the reason the infection spread from here and go to mastoid region. Okay. This one, how many parts of the reflex are? 5. Okay. First, receptor, sensory neuron, ascending pathway, integration center, or motor neuron, and how many effectors do we have in our body? What is the function of factor? There are 2. So muscle will secrete, muscle will contract, and the gland will. Okay, name the neurotransmitters.
Acetylcholine and
There are many,
norepinephrine.
but the most important one is acetylcholine, which where acetylcholine, which system is dominant when acetylcholine is released? Okay. Okay, what else? Okay. Name the muscles. How many muscles of the eyeball? Six. Name it.
Superior rectus.
Superior rectus. Okay. Casey, hold this, the big one and also the smaller one. Okay. Just point out now. Keep holding that one. Okay. The one on the top is
Superior.
But the bottom one?
Inferior.
The side one is?
Lateral.
Okay. Medial rectus. And where is the tendon of the superior oblique? The tendon of the superior oblique is this one. Okay. So this one we can use it. Now I want you to hold the other one, the other model of the eye. Not this one. Go with that one first, the smaller one. Okay, Casey. Show me where is the lens.
Inside.
Okay, where is the cornea?
Outside.
What is the white part?
Sclera.
What is the yellow part? Retina.
Retina.
What about the red one? The pink one?
Choroid.
Okay, now, Belle, show me where is ora serrata. Ora serrata.
Inside.
The inside, the red radiations are ora serrata.
Yeah, ready.
Okay. Now, let's go back to the muscle. Hold this one again. The other one, the one Stefan having in his head. Okay. Oh, Daniel, you hold it so everyone can see it. Okay. Now, look on the other way around. Okay. So this one is?
Superior.
Yes. And this one is with the oblique? Okay. Now, if I am going to ask any muscle, definitely I am going to ask, there will be 2 or 3 stations for the muscles. Okay. The muscles nerve supply is very important. If I ask the superior rectus, right, I am going to ask, name the cranial nerve which supply this muscle. So I give you one formula.
LR6, SO4.
LR6,
SO4 and R3.
LR6, SO4, R3.
Yeah.
LR6 means lateral rectus supplied by
6 nerves.
SO4 superior oblique
4.
4. The rest of all the muscles, which
3.
include the rest of 4, supplied by
3.
3. Okay, so I make your life simple. So this is superior oblique, the tendon, okay, and this is the annular ring. So you guys are ready. Then go home. And muscles, okay, let me, muscles, okay, bring one torso here. Why is she sitting over there?
We got this.
Okay.
What's the pink on this again?
Neurolema. 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 Lema is a membrane. A membrane which covers the neuron. Like sarcolemma is the membrane which covers the flesh, right? So neurolema is the membrane which covers the nerve.
Which one is that?
The pink one. But the yellow is the myelin sheath. Don't confuse it. If you see the inside, the grayish one is the axon, the yellow is the myelin, the pink is the neurolema. Okay? And this is all axon. You know, the axon extend from the hair to up to their to the synapse. Once it innervate into the other, it synapse with the other neuron, or it innervate into the synaptic vesicle, which enter into the skeletal muscle. Okay, who is going to bring the torso? Okay. She got it over here?
Yeah.
Okay. Now. Okay, let me hold. Start here. I have to do this one before you leave, so then I have to start the Okay. Okay. Now one by one, show me temporalis. Come on, from someone from here. Duncan, where is temporalis muscle? Temporalis.
On the side?
Okay. Give him a chance to come and touch the muscle. Okay.
Right there?
Okay. Miss Bimbola, show me sternocleidomastoid. Okay, this is sternocleidomastoid. Okay.
You know, on both sides.
Yeah, this is sternocleidomastoid. Okay. Okay, come here, Belle.
Not ready for
Okay,
this.
show me trapezius. Where is trapezius? Anybody know?
Trapezius is here.
The pink one is the trapezius, right?
Yeah.
And what about this one, the one in the yellow? Okay. Demelola, where is pectoralis major? I'm asking this most easy one. And where is pectoralis major? Okay, where is serratus anterior, the boxing muscle?
Boxing muscle?
Yes. Here? The Okay, here, this is serratus anterior, okay?
Say what?
This one, serratus anterior. This one.
So here,
This one, this one. This one, here, this one. From second to seventh rib, serratus anterior, boxer muscle. Okay? Where is deltoid?
That's right.
I can ask deltoid from here or I can ask from there, okay? Now where is rectus abdominis?
Here.
Where is rectus abdominis? This is rectus abdominis, okay? Now Isaac, you tell me where is external oblique? Okay, come on. It's a group practice. External oblique.
No, that is.
This is this way. Look over there. It's more prominent over here. This is external oblique. And what is this white line?
Linea alba.
Jessica
Alba.
Okay, now let's see. Where is frontalis?
Here.
Yeah.
Here.
Frontalis.
Corrugator supercilii.
What?
Corrugator supercilii.
Here.
Where?
What is it again?
Corrugator supercilii, which gives wrinkles.
Oh, so it's on the forehead.
One give vertical, one give horizontal. Okay, so which one is that? You don't know? Okay. Okay, what about this one?
Orbicularis.
What about this one, the one which covers? Okay, there is a masseter here. This one, which gland is this?
Let me see.
Thyroid gland, it is covered by which muscle? Half of the muscle is here. This is one of the muscle of the mastication. Masseter, right? So you dissect masseter to see pterygoids, right? So this one, the one you are able to see is the masseter. Okay. The one you're gonna see technically supposed to be here, but it's not here. It's going like this one is gonna be zygomatic, and this one vaccinator, or it is also called as buccinator. So it's your choice. Okay, buccinator or vaccinator. Okay, here. This one. Half. Where it is? Okay, and one more thing before you get back tomorrow. Either I'm going to use this torso or I'm going to use any of the torso. You just need to know the location. Okay? So whatever is available in our lab, I can use any model.
Can we put that guy down?
What kind is those? Okay. Which one is this?
Deltoid.
This one? Supra. This one?
Infra.
This one? Okay. Which one is this now? What I'm looking for? Here, this one. Triceps. And the one which is not here?
I think it's bicep.
Bicep. Okay. Where is flexor digitorum? Did I ask flexor digitorum superficialis?
Yes.
Okay. So the one which goes into the digit. One thing which is not mentioned in the answer key, the study guide. What is the name of this band? This collagen band, which covers the tendon area, right, and prevent the overcrowding. What is the name of this this white band? Flexor reticulum. And the one which is, oh sorry, this is extensor, because these are all extensors, the white band, right? And the one inside is the flexor reticulum. And then which one is flexor carpi ulnaris? The inside one.
Where?
This is the one. No, ulnaris goes here. This is the one.
Oh, that one.
Okay. And bring the lower limb. we have all the models, almost all of them in the science center, except this one and this one. Okay. Which one is this now?
Rectus.
Rectus femoris. What about this? Sartorius. This one? When I-
Soleus underneath.
underneath. Okay. Then this is the tendon.
Achilles
Tendon. What about this one?
Dr.
That, which one?
Gracilla.
Which one?
Let's get Margarita.
Okay, this one is this. Vastus
Vastus.
medialis. This one.
Lateral.
And when you take it out, you're going to see intermediate. The back one, which one is bicep femoris?
The one in the center,
And this one?
Semimembranosus.
And the inside one is semi? And this one?
Semimembranosus.
Membranosus. Okay, what is the name of this? What is it? You didn't do this before? Okay, where is tibialis anterior? Next to the? Okay, this one?
Hallux
Is that hallucis?
Half,
That's
which goes into 4 digits.
digitorum.
Extends.
Digitorum longus.
Okay, and the side one, this is fibularis muscle. Fibularis longus. It's on the lateral side because it covers fibula. Okay, there is it. Okay. So put this torso back, and then you can start.